going on? Today we're going to trying to figure out I'm going to play with the fidget cube. Here it goes. I found this fidget cube in the Christmas store. It cost $4.99 box. This one is the switch. That's for the light switch. A magnet. That's the stick metal. Turn sorters. That's we roll up the rotor. Some buttons. Like touches buttons. Got a hand. It looks like a remote control. A switch. Yeah, that's we spin. I'll see you. Comment down. That's it for today. Comment down below. Gonna get something. A fidget cube. Fidget spinners. Nothing. I'll see you. Subscribe now.